Well, we certainly cannot remove packaging from food. I think the first big functional role it plays, and looking at it from the consumer point of view, it delivers food at the consumer's hands in a hygienic manner, in a safe manner. So food safety plays a very big role here. Then on an overall supply chain, as I think you were also mentioning at the beginning, and as Niles also covered, from that moment that it is produced all the way to the consumer and the time it spends in the pantry, it is required to make sure that the food is delivered in a hygienic manner, in a safe manner. It preserves the taste of the food, it preserves the quality for which the consumers buy it, and basically it plays a very big functional role in delivering the same experience, eat experience that the consumers are looking for. So, I mean, definitely it cannot be eliminated as such. However, of course, it can be reduced. We can reduce the impact it has in terms of making it recyclable,